Hey guys, I'm showing you this dad gift. So this can be given by a daughter or son. This is a whiskey glasses set with a whiskey stones drink coaster and can be given for any occasion, whether it's a Father's Day or the birthday. So this comes with a card, a coaster, the whiskey like stones, like ice cubes. So these are the metal ice cubes. So this will preserve the flavor, and you can just put it in the refrigerator so that will stone, so no water, nothing from it. So this is really nice that this will not dilute the drink. So this is written on it, so you can see that. So like best dad forever. And then this is a nice glass, thick and durable, a gift box. So you can see like dad, I love you, and other messages on the coaster. The coaster is really nice, so this will not put any stain or anything on your table. You can put the glass on it. So this is a card with the message that you can just put near to this. So I just put the drink, and you can put the stone inside it, but just to show I just put it outside so that you can see. Overall, this is a very nice set that looks really good as a gift for the father. So best dad ever. So you can see the whole set with this gift box.